Bad news. Supreme Court shocks TInubu accept fresh evidence as Atiku files fresh forgery case, seek TInubu's removal. Hey guys, welcome back to Prospect Channels TV. Thank you for this coming out here. If you're just joining us, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you. The People's Democratic Party, PDP, presidential candidate for the 2023 elections, Atiku Abubakar, has taken a bold step by filing fresh evidence against President Bola Tinubu before the Supreme Court. These documents accuse President Tinubu of forgery and lying under oath, and Atiku is also seeking Tinubu's disqualification and removal from office. The focal point of this new evidence is the academic records of President Tinubu, which were delivered to Atiku following a court order from the United States instructing Chicago State University to release Tinubu's academic record. Sources close to the matter confirmed that these documents have now been submitted to the Supreme Court. One of Atiku's lawyers affirmed this development, stating, "We have filed the fresh evidence. Tinubu's academic records have been submitted to the Appeals Court. You can approach the Supreme Court for a copy of the process." Paul Ibe, a media representative for Atiku, emphasized the significance of this new evidence, saying, "Our lawyers will file the new evidence today, Friday, to complement the grant of appeal filed earlier. I am yet to get any briefing from the legal team, but fresh evidence will be filed on or before 12 midnight of today, which is Friday, which is the deadline." The extra evidence of the new evidence, which has to do with the certificate that Tinubu submitted to INEC based on the petition, the discovery and the deposition, which is what we have been waiting for, will help. And that is not the only ground. The initial filing we made to the Supreme Court was on 35 grounds. The Chicago evidence is just extra evidence in support of the application, Ibe added. The implications of the development are significant, as it raises questions about the authenticity of President Tinubu's academic qualification and the allegations of forgery and perjury against him. The Supreme Court will now have the crucial task of reviewing this new evidence and determining its relevance to the ongoing legal battle. Meanwhile, Festus Keyamo, a Nigerian's Minister of Aviation, has addressed the controversy surrounding President Bola Tinubu's Chicago State University certificate, suggesting that it was obtained through a third-party vendor. He emphasized that this third party has not denied issuing the certificate to the president. Keyamo believes it is Atiku Abubakar's responsibility, the candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) in the 2023 presidential election, to contact this third-party vendor and gather evidence to support the allegation of certificate forgery against Tinubu. Atiku had previously sought a United States court order to access Tinubu's academic records from Chicago State University, alleging forgery. The court ruled in the favor of Atiku, instructing Chicago State University to provide the records to its legal team. Upon reviewing the records, Atiku's legal representatives identified 5 discrepancies. They expressed confidence that these discrepancies would lead the Supreme Court to reconsider the ruling of the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal, which had dismissed Atiku's petition challenging Tinubu's election. Keyamo, in a statement, explained the legal principles of providing forgery, highlighting that the alleged documents maker must deny its authenticity, or there must be uncontradicted evidence from the forensic report showing deliberate alteration or fabrication. Applying this principle to the case of Atiku Abubakar versus Chicago State University, Kayamo pointed out that since the university openly stated that they did not issue replacement certificates and that vendors do so on their behalf, any allegations of forgery are irrelevant until the specific vendor who issued the replacement certificate to TInubu denies its authenticity. Kayamo stressed that the burden of proof lies with the accuser to identify and obtain evidence from the vendor. He also noted that Atiku Abubakar's retirement from politics was acknowledged and wished him well in his retirement. In summary, Nigerians, Kayamo contends that the burden of providing certificate forgery rests on Atiku Abubakar, who accused TInubu, and that until the third-party vendor denies authenticity, the allegations remains unsubstantiated. So guys, what's your take on this? Let's hear from you. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you.